Welcome to Anita AI channel. Today I want to introduce new AI tool Anita to you, which can freely dress up models, and can also extract an item from one image and copy it to another image. Let's check how to make it. First, we upload the photo of dog and horse on both sides of this AI tool. Now I want there's one dog next to the horse, so I will apply the dog and paint the corresponding area of the dog size in the blank area of the left image. Then, I press run. Magically, AI tool has generated a dog lying in the grass for me, which cannot be seen as a composite. It seems that this image originally had a dog. Now let's try changing clothes for the model. I want the lady wearing a short sleeve t-shirt to wear a red long sleeved shirt, and the same method is to apply the red clothes. The area on the left lady's arm should also be applied, because this is a long sleeved shirt, and the covered areas should match each other. Then, we click run. Quickly, Anita AI tool has already helped the model change clothes. Everyone can give it a try. This AI tool is really useful and helpful for the clothing industry. If you like my videos, remember to subscribe to me. You can learn more AI tools for free. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.